Hello guys and welcome to a new episode on Speed Force. Today I'm gonna show you how to dip your car step by step and the materials that you're gonna use to dip your car. And let's go. I'm gonna leave you on the description what about the materials, the company that I bought it from, and yeah, really good company by the way. So let's go. Come with the package. We got a mixer here, some filters right here. We got a after deep cleaning, that's to prevent any scratches on the paint. We have our this product is to use it before dipping the car to make to have a better I mean develop specialists for a better dipping or a successful dipping, as it says right here. We got some microfiber, and then that one that is rolling all the way there is the shampoo or the product that you use to clean your car, to wash your car, to prepare for dipping. Right here we got a mixer, deep mixer. It comes with this I don't remember what it's called right now. And these parts right here, these two things right here, they come separate. You have to buy them separate. It's a tape and drop. This is guys, believe me, you will have to buy this to have a better to do the masking on your car quickly and more professionally. You may have to use this. Believe me, you won't regret it. This and this one right here got a better better corner work than this one. And then we have right here our paints or deep paint. Right here we got our base, 1 gallon of black. As you guys can see right here, 1 gallon of black coating base. And then we have, it comes with 2 gallons. Right here on the company, they give you like some options, depends on what the size of your car. Since my car is small, that one right there that you guys can see, since the car is small, I use the small car package, and it comes with 1 gallon of black or white base coating, and then it comes with 2 gallons of whatever paint you chose. I chose this one, white wine. It's 2 gallons of it. And then if you don't have, guys, the paint to the paint gun to spray the coatings, you may also buy them from them. This is a really good price. This is the paint gun, all the stuff that comes with it, so you guys can see. And this is the gun with the bucket. Guys, believe me, this company is really good selling this stuff, and they even show you. I'm gonna leave you the link. As I said on the introduction of the company, where you guys where about all this stuff, and I'm gonna leave you also the link from Facebook, from YouTube, where they show you how they show you. I mean, on the links. On the YouTube videos, they show you how to dip your car step by step. I'm gonna leave you the link of from that too. Let's go. Okay, guys, the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna mask the whole car. We're gonna cover all the windows, all the trunk, the front of the hood, right there, so you guys can see all that part. And then after we've done that, we're gonna clean it with the product that it says that is before dipping. This one right here. And then after that, we're gonna do our first coating of base, just a quick coating base, and then we're gonna let it dry for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. And then a second one, you have to do at least 4 times coating for each paint that you're gonna put on it. to let it dry quickly, well, and then after that you're gonna put the after dipping product that I just showed you, the one that let me show you guys which one is it. This one right here, to prevent the car from scratches, to cover the car from scratches, anti-mark, and slag fill, and then we're ready to go. So let's go. As you guys can see, this is how it should look like before applying the this product right here. And guys, to be honest, this took me almost the whole night to do this, all this masking from the car. See the sign, everything. The only thing that I got left to do for tomorrow is cover the tires. Everything is masked. Hello guys, and today is a new day. As you can see guys, the car is still all covered. I already covered the tires right there, as you guys can see, and the front of the car. So what I got left to do, I gotta use I gotta pre-wash the whole car with this product, with the product that it comes with it. Okay guys, now that we have our car already pre-dipping with the product, already pre-washed with the product, we're gonna mix of base gallon of black. It's right here. Gonna mix this one to start applying it on the car. Let's see if we can. Gonna mix this one first. You guys can see it's the black one, it's the black base. We're gonna mix that one with our mixer. So like this. Guys, make sure to mix this really well, so that way it will be the color even. Like that. We clean this up because we're gonna use this one on our next paint. Because they only come with one mixer. Now I'm gonna use the bucket from the paint gun. This is the paint gun DYC. I'm gonna use the bucket. I'm gonna put a filter on it. Guys, make sure you don't spill this on the floor, because that will be really messy. Let's go. And guys, when you're filling up this is a 40 ounce mark, 48 ounce mark. Make sure to leave it to fill it up out to that mark. Don't fill it up all the way to the top, because when you're painting, when you if you move the gun facing down, then you will have to then all the paint will go out of the gun and get on the car, and you don't want that, guys. So just make sure to do it that way. So we're gonna seal this up nice and tight. So I'm gonna do some tests before spraying. This is how it should look like after your first coating of black base. This is how it looks like. I did have some trouble right here. This part right here. I don't know if you guys you see it right there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up this part. I'm gonna try to pass again and see if that work. If not, then I will have to try again with another coating. I will have to keep putting some coating on it and see how it works. Okay guys, so I have already done the 4 coatings of black, and this is how it looks like at the end. This wine right here that you guys can see. I'm gonna show you whenever I finish how it really looks on more detailing. How it really looks. I got a little bit right here of color, white color that I still have. I'm gonna use this one to paint the details, like right here on the door handle, right here the mirrors, the HUD. Sorry guys. So I'm gonna use the rest of it to do the detailing, and whenever I finish, I'm gonna show you guys the final result. So let's go. Everything, so you guys can see right here. I'm showing you just the back of the car, because at the front you won't have too much light to see it. We got the hood, the roof, how nice and even on the hood right here, so you guys can see how nice and even it looks like. It looks I mean, look at the size on the side. That's how it should look like at the end of the product. When you're taking, guys, all the masking out, be careful, because as you guys can see right here, look. So you guys can see there, it's stretching with the masking, with the tape. So be really careful when taking this out. You don't want, guys, to peel the body of the car. I should have already done this before filming this part, but I want to show you guys how it looks like if you make this mistake that I'm trying to fix right now. So you guys can see right here. I'm gonna clean this up first. I'm gonna clean this after I take all this masking off. So that's how it should look like, guys. I'm gonna show you the final product at the end when I finish taking all the masking off. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, the car at the end. Hey guys, this is how it should look like at the end. This is how it looks. Look at that. To be honest, guys, it looks really good, really sick. Look at that. Looks really good. Color. Then match the tires. That's how it looks at the end. The final product, the final result. Okay, now what we're gonna do after dipping the whole car, we're going to use this product right here. This is for after dipping your car. Remember that I told you guys to prevent anti-mark scratches or anything like that. And we're gonna spray the whole car, and we're gonna clean it up with this microfiber towel that even, look at this, it even comes sealed, so that way you won't get any dirt on it or anything until you use it. And we're gonna wipe the whole car, and that should be it for the whole video. So let's do it. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and see you in the next one. Take care.